Welcome back to Car Hub, your destination for real reviews, smart comparisons, and everything you love about cars. Today we're talking about one of the most iconic names in automotive history. It's practical, reliable, and has quietly shaped the global car market for over 5 decades. This is the Toyota Corolla. If you've ever owned a car, chances are you've either driven a Corolla or know someone who has. Why? Because the Corolla has built a legacy on trust, value, and dependability. It doesn't try to be flashy or loud. It simply works every day, year after year. The latest Toyota Corolla carries that reputation forward, but with a fresh design and improved tech. The exterior looks sharp and modern with bold lines, LED lighting, and a more athletic stance than you might expect. It's no longer just a safe choice. It's a smart one with style. Under the hood, you'll find a choice of efficient engines, including a hybrid option that delivers excellent fuel economy. The handling is smooth and responsive, perfect for urban commutes and highway drives alike. And thanks to Toyota's TNGA platform, the ride is quieter and more stable than ever before. Inside, the Corolla surprises with a clean, high-quality cabin. The touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the seats are supportive, making long drives comfortable. Safety features come standard, with Toyota's Safety Sense suite offering lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. It's no wonder the Corolla continues to be a top seller in markets around the world. It's affordable, efficient, and incredibly reliable, but now it's also smarter and better looking. So if you're in the market for a compact car that gets everything right without trying too hard, the Toyota Corolla might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Would you go for the hybrid or stick with the classic gas engine?